Dear students, today we have to discuss how to draw a quadrant system using line diagram. Here I have drawn three types of figure of quadrant system. First one is isometric figure of quadrant system. Second one is line diagram of quadrant system. And third one is position of the object with respect to horizontal and vertical line. Suppose, imagine this is the miniature or model of our quadrant that is placed 30 degree. That means placed isometrically we can get such a type of figure. So we have to see all the term related to this quadrant system. By the help of this model, we have to explain. This is the horizontal plane. This is the vertical planes. And this edge is called a reference line. That means this edge is called XY line. That is called a reference line. And we can see this edge is called vertical line and this is called horizontal line. These things are marked in this figure. By the help of this figure, once again I explain, this surface is called vertical plane, this is horizontal plane, and joining edge of the vertical and horizontal plane is called XY line or reference line, and space in between vertical and horizontal plane is called first quadrant, and space in between horizontal and vertical is called second quadrant. Similarly, we can say that this is third quadrant and the place in between vertical and the horizontal plane is called marked with the fourth quadrant. And this vertical line, this edge is called vertical line and this edge is called horizontal line. Students, നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കാനായിട്ട് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഈ മിനിയേച്ചർ ക്വാഡ്രന്റ് ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കാം 180 ഡിഗ്രിയിലേക്ക്. 180 ഡിഗ്രിയിലേക്ക് ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും ഈ എഡ്ജും മാത്രമേ ഇപ്പോൾ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുള്ളൂ. അതായത് ഈ പ്ലെയിൻ വെർട്ടിക്കൽ പ്ലെയിൻ്റെയും ഹൊറിസോണ്ടൽ പ്ലെയിൻ്റെയും 30 ഡിഗ്രിയിൽ വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു ഫിഗറും അത് 180 ഡിഗ്രിയിലേക്ക് ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ observer, if you are the observer, you can see the only its working edge, that is vertical edge and horizontal edge. This vertical edge is called vertical line and this is called horizontal line. Now it is placed in any reference plane, we can get such type of figure. That means the quadrant is shifted 180 degree and placed in any reference plane, we can get the such type of figure. By the help of this vertical and horizontal line, we can represent the quadrant system like this. That means this is first quadrant, that is equal to this one. This is second quadrant, that is equal to this one. This is third quadrant, that is equal to this one. And finally, this is the fourth quadrant, that is equal to this one. Okay. Now it is clear. Now the third figure, which shows the position of the object with respect to this vertical and horizontal line. In the case of first quadrant, I marked an object. Object is now our object is a point which is marked darkly. A dotted mark is here. I put a dotted mark here. That's name is A. That means this object is placed in first quadrant, keeping the distance y distance from the horizontal plane. That means y distance from the vertical line. Similarly, we can say that x distance from the y distance from the horizontal line and x distance from the vertical line. That means above the horizontal line and in front of the vertical line. According to the viewer point, this point is situated in first quadrant, that is above the horizontal line and in front of the vertical line. And that point should be marked with an alphabet. That should be block letter. That should be block letter. അതായത് പോയിന്റ് നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആ ചോദ്യത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ലെറ്റർ എന്താണ്? ബ്ലോക്ക് ലെറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം, ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ എപ്പോഴും ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ വേണം ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ in the case of second quadrant, B is the point. B is the point which is fixed in second quadrant. That is according to the position of the viewer. The point B is X millimeter behind the vertical line and Y distance from the above the horizontal line. Similarly, we can say that the point C is fixed in third quadrant. That is X distance from behind the vertical line and Y distance below the horizontal line. Similarly, the last one, point D is located in fourth quadrant. That is Y distance from the below the horizontal line and X distance in front of the vertical line. Isn't clear? That is the representation of the point according to your position and its corresponding lines. Okay, next.